Hello friends, today we learn how to make electric stove easy at home. For making this project we need some components: 1000 watt heating element, electric plug, 2-inch 2 screw, plastic of Paris, round box. Put a 2-hole on box for electric switch connection, like this. Now both screw band, and adjust it on electric plug, like this. Now take 1 liter water and 1 kg plastic of Paris, and mix it, like this. Now fill it on box like this. Now leave it for 30 minutes. Now take a drawing compass and put 3 round holes, like this. Now cut box from switch side, like this. Now leave it for 3 days on sunlight or 1 day on gas burner for completely dry. Now take a heating element and adjust it on plate, like this. Project is ready for your test. Thanks for watching. If you like our videos, so please tell in comments. And don't forget to subscribe our channel.